In December 2010, a severe winter storm, known as the Hanukkah Blizzard, struck the Midwest and eastern United States, leaving thousands stranded in snow-filled landscapes. Among the trapped were passengers on New York-bound trains halted by the storm's onslaught, faced with below-freezing temperatures and dwindling supplies. As inches of snow accumulated hourly, trains became immobile bunkers, requiring passengers to innovate and share limited resources to stay warm and hydrated. Meanwhile, coordinated rescue efforts were hampered by impassable roads, further prolonging the grueling ordeal. Ultimately, camaraderie prevailed as communities across the affected regions rose to aid the stranded, sharing provisions and offering warmth amidst the frigid chaos. This gripping saga of resilience underlines humanity's capacity to endure through nature's most daunting challenges.